Welcome back to learning practical video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut, After Effects, or with AI. I am Ans and I share my journey of how I edit videos for clients and explain each step so you can learn how real and practical video editing looks like. I have been editing videos since 2016. Step 1. The first step in editing is actually getting your footage into Adobe Premiere Pro. This part is pretty simple but super important. You want to begin by opening your project and heading straight to the timeline. That's where all your clips will come together. To import your footage, just drag your video files from the project window and drop them onto the timeline. If you have got a bunch of clips, select them all and drop them in at once. It's like laying out your puzzle pieces, but with a lot more creative potential. Once everything's on the timeline, you're ready to start building your story. It might feel like a simple step, but it's the foundation for everything you are about to do. You're officially off and running. Step 2. Now that your clips are in the timeline, let's make sure they fit just right. Sometimes the video might look too big or too small, so we need to adjust the scale. The pro trick is just right-click on the clip which is not in the correct scale and just click on the Set to Frame Size and it will automatically adjust the video scale. Or you can use an adjustment layer. Create an adjustment layer, drag it over the timeline above all the clips. Right click on the adjustment layer and click on Set to Frame Size, or go to the Effects Control panel, find the scale setting and move the slider to make your particular clip bigger or smaller. You can zoom in if you want a close-up or zoom out to see more of the scene. Step 3. Now it's time to clean the raw footage. Watch through your footage and make rough cuts wherever a clip feels unnecessary, choppy, blurry, or just doesn't work in the story. So how do you decide which clip to keep and which to delete? The easy answer is just trust your judgment and delete it. Don't overthink it. Otherwise, you will spend too much time only thinking and not producing a final video. I'm speaking this from my personal experience. Use the razor tool or the shortcuts I use as A for selecting the razor tool, W for the mouse pointer, and D for delete. Using shortcuts will save you a lot of time. Remember, if a scene doesn't flow or there is a jumpy part, just cut it out. This is where you start shaping the video, getting rid of anything that doesn't belong and keeping it smooth. Step 4. Now we will cut the footage again from the start, this time with more patience and a little decision-making step. Because as the footage becomes shorter, the harder it is to decide which clip to keep, and now we will reduce the raw footage length even more to make it more engaging as the client wanted a 10 minutes video. Again, don't overthink and just keep or delete anything you like or dislike. Step 5. After we have reached to the desired length of the video, it's time to make an intro to give a more engaging and professional look to the video. Also, making an intro means that just select few good scenes and add it in the beginning of the video. It's like a movie begins with great scene to build curiosity. Step 6. Now we will add the transitions. The most common transitions I use while I edit videos for my clients is dissolve 0.3 seconds between the clips, and another transition I use either in the beginning or at the end of the video, which is known as dip to black. Just play with it. Dip to black works just like fade in or fade out transition in the CapCut. Just play with it and you will surely master the transitions. Practice is the #1 hack to learn it. And finally, step number 7. This is usually the last step. It's time to add the music which the client has requested. If you have only one music or song and the length of the footage is longer, then you can just go to the essential sound, click on the music. Go to the duration and select the desired duration. This will stretch the music to match it with the length of the raw footage. So this was it. A simple lesson how to edit videos for your clients. I'm sure you have learned something in this video, and all I want from you is just like this video and subscribe. I'll teach you more amazing lesson about video editing. Peace.